Academics also includes classroom timetable. If you click on classroom timetable and select the classroom, you can see the timetable for the classroom throughout the week. From here, you can edit timetable. Click on edit timetable and you can add a break or edit the time slots, or you can delete a time slot as well. If you want to add, click on the add item button, select the subject, the teacher, the time slot. If you have room numbers, you can add that and then click on submit. Likewise, click on add item to create the next timetable as well. You can even download the timetable from here. Just click on the download button and you can download the timetable. With the created timetable, the system automatically generates a staff timetable. Click on the staff timetable button from here, or you can see a staff timetable button below the classroom timetable on the left hand side. Then select the staff member and you can see the staff timetable throughout the week. From here you can also download this timetable, or you can go back again to classroom timetable. You can also see the time slots throughout the day. For that, click on the time slots button and you can see all the time slots. You can even edit, add or delete a time slot from here. Thank you.